You haven't walked in those shoes. You don't know what it's like to try to rely on other people for child care.
High child care costs remain a huge barrier for families statewide. A new report out this week shows Knoxville loses $122 million in earnings and revenue each year because of it. 10 News reporter Gabrielle Hayes joins us now with a look at revealing numbers that show how families are struggling. Gabrielle.
Well, Robin, according to this new report, 71% of people surveyed right here in Knoxville say they can't afford child care, and 73% say they wouldn't even have the access if they could.
Tennesseans for Quality Early Education's most recent report on the child care crisis paints a very detailed picture.
Many of the statistics are quite jarring.
It takes a look at the economic impact of the issue, but also the barriers, which board member Dave Miller says hits home.
You got significant numbers of families that are being, for lack of a better term, adversely affected.
Out of more than 2,000 people surveyed, 28% of people had to quit their jobs or were fired. 49% had to turn down a new job, and 37% couldn't get an education.
That's really hard.
Early Head Start Director Nancy Thomas says there are real people behind these numbers.
You're trying to work, you're trying to keep a job or go to school.
Head Start provides preschool programs for low-income families nationwide. Thomas says the need is real and they serve who they can.
When we're full, we're full.
The report also shows another hurdle families see is quality. 61% of respondents say it's the biggest thing holding them back. But according to Thomas, these numbers are only part of the picture.
Another barrier is transportation. That can really be a barrier not only to getting to child care, but to getting to work.
While the issue has many layers, Thomas says we have to look at the bigger picture. And when we can, put ourselves in other people's shoes.
If you lived here and you didn't have extended family, you didn't have grandmother, who are you going to rely on?
Now, overall, the report shows this lack of affordable and accessible child care has an economic impact of over $1 billion annually for the state. Robin?
All right, Gabrielle, thank you.